Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this DIY shelf. So keep watching. Okay, so here I am using a cardboard piece जिसकी height है 33 cm and width 13 cm. We will need total 8 pieces of cardboard with same measurements. अब हम उन 8 पीसेस ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड में से 2 पीसेस को स्टिक करेंगे टुगेदर टू मेक इट अ लिटिल थिक एंड हैवी, जस्ट लाइक दिस. We will do this for other pieces as well and make 4 thick cardboard pieces out of the 8 pieces we had before. Now we have total 4 cardboard pieces जिसको हम यूज करेंगे to make our DIY shelf. Then for the smaller side we will again need 8 cardboard pieces, but इस बार उनकी height होगी 23 cm and width 13 cm. Now we will again stick 2 pieces together to give them proper thickness, just like so. सेम प्रोसेस हम सारे कार्डबोर्ड पीसेस के साथ रिपीट करेंगे, जस्ट एज वी डिड बिफोर. And here we have our other smaller 4 pieces जिनको हम यूज करेंगे to make our DIY shelf. Now we will need a little amount of water and उसमें हम थोड़ा सा glue ऐड करेंगे. Mix them together until we have a runny consistency. Then we will take some bits of paper या फिर कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर के pieces. Now कार्डबोर्ड की चारों sides की edges पे we will stick those papers, as this will give more stability to the cardboard so that हमारे material जो भी हम shelf पे रखें वो properly hold हो जाए. अब यहाँ हम अपनी वीडियो को थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करते हैं बिकॉज वी नीड टू डू दिस ऑन ऑल 8 पीसेस ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड, बोथ बिग एंड स्मॉल. Then let it dry for a while. अब हम उन सभी कार्डबोर्ड पीसेस को wrap करेंगे with a wooden design paper. You can also use any paper you want. And even wooden wallpapers जो होते हैं, that are also a very great option. Here we have all our cardboard wrapped in a wooden design paper to give it a wood-like feel. Now we will take 2 big and 2 small pieces and उन्हें attach करने के लिए we will need some nails, कीले of medium size. Then जो हमारा small cardboard था उसके corner edges पे we will push in 3 nails on one side and 3 nails on the other side, just like you can see in this video. Please be careful with the nails or you might get hurt. Now we will take the bigger piece and attach the nails of the small piece in it as shown in the video. Stick the other big piece also. Similarly, हम इसी प्रोसेस को रिपीट करेंगे for the other smaller end. एंड लास्टली उस होल्ड को और सिक्योर करने के लिए वी विल टेक अ हॉट ग्लू गन एंड सिक्योर ऑल 4 ends like so. make another shelf with remaining 4 pieces. And yup, here we have our DIY shelf ready. Attach them on the walls and you can further decorate them with flowers, lights, etc. anything you want. That's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel and show as much love as you can. Thanks for watching.